guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we've got a really exciting activity planned. We're currently in the taxi and our driver is a dwarf. Good job it's a short journey, eh?
Welcome to a new video. We've started off very late within it. We didn't actually do the travelling side of it all, but as you can see, Ryan is geared up,
Ready to go.
We have got sleds right next to us, so we're going all the way up here, and it's going to be a really fun ride. I think you got up to like 40 miles an hour, I think you're saying.
It said 45, didn't it, on the thing?
Yeah. But we're going to go up. Got this with me. We've got a lovely view, and
We
that's
also
pretty much it.
had a dwarf taxi driver, which is nothing wrong with that. It's just quite funny.
Yeah. So anyway, watch us start going down. We'll see you on the slopes. You ready?
Ready? Let's do this.
We're doing a race.
Let's just get our bearings first.
All right. Oh my god.
This is so quick.
Oh my god. Woo!
Oh my god.
All of its snow just going in my face. Oh god. Whoa!
Shit me.
Oh, on your right.
Fuck it up.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Guys, you didn't see that on camera, but I like very nearly went over the edge.
Oh my god, it's so fast. Oh my god. The thing is that I'm actually putting the brake. Oh, the snow's in my face. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, that was the first one. How are you feeling?
It hurts your ass so much.
Can I just say though, obviously in the clip it ends there because my camera literally flops down, but that last little part there, I got so much air time. I was like off the ground like probably about a foot maybe.
You guys
Like, I
were in
went
front of me at
fast.
one point, but I went round a corner, and because I went airborne, I couldn't obviously steer back. I shit you not, I must have been that close from going off the edge.
Yeah.
When you can probably hear it in the audio, but it was like, oh shit. I think this trip, he doesn't know it yet, but I think I'm going to try and crash into him on this one down, just to make a good video. Be a bit funny, wouldn't it really? Be a bit clickbait for you guys to watch. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Comment where you want him to go next, because he wants to go to Japan, but I feel like there's a better place in the world he could go to. And show you guys, so let us know where you want him to go. I personally think he should go to Kazakhstan, and he can document like Borat did. I think that'd be a good video, because he kind of looks like Borat a little bit today. He's got the nose, he's got the tash, and he's actually now got a curly hair, so he is basically Borat. Put it down in the comments below, just down there, if you want Mateo to go to Kazakhstan. But if not, we will see you when we're going down the slopes. Alright, let's do this. You ready? What's Boom ready?
Oh shit.
That's a bit cringe.
That's so cringe.
Get a head start. Right. Trick here, don't brake. If I don't brake, you can't go past me. Right, he's coming up behind. Little drift round. This trap, I'm heavier, so I should go faster.
I'm not doing it, I'm not doing that. Oh!
Oh god. dangerous. Come on, come on. Oh. He's coming up. Come on. Smooth a turn.
Going to go wide.
Turn that one right. Fuck me, that
Get more speed.
right.
Oh my god, my arse. This is where I fell off last time. Too far away. I saw his face.
Fuck me, that was close.
Oh my god. It's so quick. Oh, this is the part. Oh my god. Oh my god! Fuck my ass. Any cushions on this or something? Let's just say I didn't fall off.
Did you actually?
I didn't break at any point. Yeah. And I just fell off.
You see that goat that fell off?
No.
There's a goat that fell off up there.
No.
you just see the sledge on the edge of the thing?
No?
There's like a sledge just on the edge of the track.
Yeah.
I looked down and she was down. I literally said, oh, maybe I should have stopped, but fuck it, I've got a world record to beat.
No, let me show you the video. We'll go back to you. Guys, how did we feel about guys? Ryan, how did you feel about the sledging in general?
The sledging was really good fun. That car was so cool.
That was actually a really cool car.
The sledging was really fun. I mean, it really hurts your back, but it's worth it.
I feel
really worth it.
I feel like it's my my bone, my what's it called, my tailbone. My tailbone's killing me. It's absolutely killing me, dog. Ryan was just saying before that's his pet peeve, but someone saying dog.
It's just like a stupid American thing to say.
I have American viewers, so if you are American, I love and
No, fuck
cherish
you all.
you. Anyway,
Fuck you all, stupid
Ryan's going to get
Americans.
his spider-looking drone ready.
Sorry, it's just my DJI.
What, DJI Mini 3?
Mini 3, yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah. 4K footage, just like to put it out there.
Yeah, that's it. Just like that, we are back. Thank you, drone, for your service. You can now fly off. And we're just still waiting for the taxi. We've got a nice hour journey back, or about half an hour journey back, and then we've got the train.
Hit me, that was very close to a tree.
Ryan has gone to the toilet, and I thought, wouldn't it be funny if we can actually listen to him doing a wee? Ryan is a joker. We just made it to the airport, as you can see.
Yeah, we're at the airport.
And
Basically, Matteo's had 2 beers and he thinks it's an airport.
it is an airport because we're flying through the snow back to Oslo. We went to the hotel. We were just getting changed and stuff, and we were just relaxing for a little bit. And then this massively drunk guy comes over. He's like, yeah, beer? And I was like, if you're offering. So he bought us both a beer, and we couldn't understand him because he was so drunk. He was just speaking, some of her, yeah.
He was fucked.
He was really bad.
he was not in a good place.
No.
But he was happy in the moment.
Yeah, he was very happy, but like if you got on the wrong side of him, he would definitely kill you. So we met him, didn't really talk to him. We just sort of sat down and he had a beer, cheers with him about 3 times for the exact same pint.
He like took a sip. No, he cheers, took a sip, and then he cheers again.
Yeah, it's so strange.
It's like he forgot he did it. We're on a train. Lovely trees. What do you think to that view, Miss Hurd?
It's absolutely lovely.
Yeah, why are you not happy?
Oh, why am I not happy? I thought you were to try and sort something.
No, why are you not happy?
Because for some reason, unfortunately, being placed next to, in the back of me, there's these people. They keep on kicking my chair, and they're eating things, and they've got their shoes off, so it just stinks of socks.
Yes, by the way, what's in that bag?
But other than that, I love the train ride.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
What's in what bag?
Look at that for a view.
That bag. This one? That bag. This one is just eggshell. Do you want an egg?
Where's the enthusiasm gone for this video? Where's the enthusiasm gone, Sarah?
Look at this view, oh my god, it's beautiful.
Got us to die for.
Do you know, it's really hard to have enthusiasm in this video when the camera's so close to my face. Yeah.
Right guys, we have nearly made it to Oslo. How was the train journey been?
It's
for you,
been the
Sarah?
worst train journey of my entire life. Not like scenic view wise, but the actual interior of this carriage wise. Personal preferences of who I'm sitting next to. Not Ryan. The smell. I've been editing the entire.
Lots of eggs. They've been eating lots of eggs.
Lots of eggs.
Talking bullshit.
Yeah.
Stupid
accents.
Yeah. It's like half English, half American, half cunt.
If it is the end of the night, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the entire series of this trip.
We've got another.
We have got one more day left, but I just want to make sure that everyone is going to subscribe to me, because if you don't, I'm going to absolutely batter you.
He'll actually come to your house and hurt you.
No.
He can see who's viewed the videos, and he can see who's not liked them. So
That's it.
use your own judgment on that one.
There you go. Anyway, we'll thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.